Okay, here's my harebrained idea. This drum is locked up. The truck is running. So it's sitting on that little piece of wood. I'm thinking it'll want to spin on that pretty easy. This wheel's off the ground with a jack. So when I start it, and it's in gear right now, I think, it'll make that wheel spin. It's off the ground. Let's see that. Alright. Keep stepping on this thing. That ain't cool. Alright, got a running engine, turning drive shaft, turning wheel. It's in first gear. Interesting how it's jerky. I guess that's the play in the rear end and the drive shaft. I was fighting the brakes still. Well, so I'm kind of thinking, if I drop this bad boy, what's going to happen? It's going to stall the engine, or it's going to free that drum up, right? Or break the damn drive shaft or something. It's in first gear, not reverse. Kind of like the fact that it's just warming up the oil. I think I'm going to drop it. Could raise idle. We'll try this first. Alright. So, here we go. I'm going to do this one-handed. There's nothing, honey. Something creaked. I see smoke. You know, I'm going to have to look at the tape, see if the lug nuts were the same. That one at 9 o'clock is real oily. I'm turning the ignition off. Alright. Come on. Come on, ignition. Come on. Alright, there we go.